Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I've been getting a lot lately. Is it safe to put all your money in Wealthsimple? Before we get into that, let me start by saying that I'm not a financial advisor. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. What is Wealthsimple? Wealthsimple is a Canadian financial technology company that offers a variety of investment products and services, including Wealthsimple Invest, a robo-advisor that helps you build a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. Wealthsimple Trade, a discount brokerage that allows you to buy and sell individual stocks and ETFs. Wealthsimple Cash, a high-interest savings account. Wealthsimple Crypto, a platform for buying and selling cryptocurrency. Wealthsimple has been growing rapidly in popularity in recent years, and for good reason. Their products are easy to use and affordable, and they offer a wide range of features and benefits. Is Wealthsimple safe? So, is it safe to put all your money in Wealthsimple? The answer is, it depends. Wealthsimple is a regulated company, and they have a good track record of protecting their customers' money. However, there are always risks associated with any investment, and Wealthsimple is no exception. Here are some of the things you need to consider before investing your money with Wealthsimple. Fees. Wealthsimple charges fees for their services. These fees can vary depending on the product you use. Risk. All investments carry some degree of risk. This is especially true for stocks and bonds, which can fluctuate in value. Security. Wealthsimple takes security very seriously, but there is always a risk of cyber attacks. How to decide if Wealthsimple is right for you? If you're considering investing your money with Wealthsimple, there are a few things you should do. Do your research, read reviews of Wealthsimple and other investment platforms. Talk to a financial advisor. A financial advisor can help you understand the risks and benefits of investing with Wealthsimple. Consider your financial goals. What are you trying to achieve with your investment? This will help you decide if Wealthsimple is the right fit for you. Wealthsimple is a safe and reputable company, but it's important to do your research and understand the risks before investing your money. If you're looking for an easy-to-use and affordable investment platform, Wealthsimple may be a good option for you. If you're new to investing, it's a good idea to start with a small amount of money. Diversify your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and cash. Review your investments regularly and make adjustments as needed. If you have any questions about Wealthsimple or investing in general, please leave a comment below. I would be happy to answer your questions. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial advice. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.